Creating a book requires a lot of skill and a significant investment of time. If you are interested in writing a text on any topic, it is essential that you have a wealth of knowledge, conduct extensive research, and prepare a first draft. You will then need to revise it meticulously and correct mistakes to achieve perfection. This may surprise you, but using AI can provide a better interpretation of your work in a matter of seconds. In this presentation, I will discuss a tool that leverages AI to quickly create personalized digital books and audio editions. I will also explain how these works can be turned into a source of income. Let's get started. Allow me to introduce Pooks AI. This application facilitates the creation of customized digital books and audio versions across a range of subjects such as fitness, travel, animal training, and more. For instance, even with limited familiarity, one can expound upon pet training. Furthermore, subjects like self-improvement, advertising, weight management, motivation, and book promotion are also within reach. Additional topics, including culinary arts, real estate, and entrepreneurship, are on the horizon. Let's delve into one of these topics. I'll select weight management. After opting for a specific theme, you'll be provided with instructions to shape your book. Adhere closely to these guidelines to maximize the quality of your work. Once you've grasped the instructions, you'll need to consent to the stipulated terms by selecting an appropriate button. Subsequently, a series of queries will require your attention. The AI will compile your book based on your responses. Since I'm curating a unique publication, I'll employ my friend's name, Alex, as the recipient. Given his aspiration for weight reduction, I am crafting this book tailored to his needs. Upon entering his name, the following step can be initiated. Next, give details about the intended reader. Start with their age. Alex is 30 years old. Then indicate their gender as male or female. Next, enter their current weight and their desired target weight. His current weight is 210 pounds and his desired weight is 180 pounds. Once completed, continue by selecting the next prompt. In this section, provide the reader's health history, including any surgical interventions or existing medical conditions. Follow the instructions on the screen. Sharing comprehensive information will improve the quality of the resulting book. I will provide general health information for Alex. When complete, proceed by selecting the next option. On the 5th page, stipulate the reader's level of physical activity. For Alex, I'll opt for lightly active. Considering the significance of diet and weight management, elaborate on the individual's culinary preferences, likes, and dislikes. Subsequently, outline their daily routine encompassing work, sleep, and leisure activities. Select the subsequent prompt to proceed. In this section, you should not forget to share your daily routines in detail with the AI. You will be rewarded for this effort when you review the personalized book you receive at the end of the video. I don't write too many words in the text box in order not to take too much of your time in these sections. Evaluate the reader's motivation level. In Alex's case, I'd characterize it as moderate. Moving on to the ensuing page, indicate whether the reader has previously engaged with weight loss strategies. If not, simply indicate none. I will indicate in this section that he have done free exercise before. On this page, indicate whether the reader includes regular exercise in his/her routine. If not, this field can remain blank. In this section, I will list the exercises that Alex does, but you can customize it to suit you. Also, summarize any health products or nutritious foods that the reader typically buys. I will leave this section unchecked. Now equipped with insights about the reader, let's focus on the book and your own background. Familiarize yourself with the instructions and provide the necessary information as directed. Following this, click on the subsequent prompt. Select the preferred writing style for the book, tailoring it to your preferred approach. I'll opt for an informal tone due to this subject matter being health-oriented. Upon making your selection, proceed to the next step. Share your personal interests and identify your preferred historical era. These details contribute to the distinctive nature of your writing. Subsequently, communicate the desired learning approach for the reader. I'll opt for a step-by-step instructional approach. After this, proceed to the next phase. Should you desire, include supplementary particulars. Then advance by selecting the next option. The AI will devise a suitable title for your book. Review the options and select the most suitable one before proceeding. At this juncture, the AI will compile a content outline for your book. This procedure may require some time to complete. For brevity, I'll omit this portion. The outline is now prepared. Moreover, a snippet of the audiobook is available, which is an excellent addition. The AI has structured the book into 11 chapters detailing the weight loss journey. If necessary, these segments can be modified. Should you find the book satisfactory, select Create My Customized Book. Provide your email to establish an account with Pooks AI. Input your name and a password, then confirm via email as instructed. Upon confirmation, you'll gain access to a page where the book can be acquired. You have the option to access a complimentary excerpt or opt for the entire ebook at a cost of $19.95. An alternative offering includes both the ebook and audiobook for $29.95. For my preferences, I'll obtain the ebook. Finally, the book is complete. I anticipate that it will help Alex significantly. I will add a link to the description for your ease of access. To summarize the AI-generated ebook and audiobook, the content is clear and methodically structured. It is very important that you provide detailed information about yourself or the target reader to the AI, creating this personalized book. In this way, it can give you a very good route on the topic you are interested in. I didn't dive too deep into the details to save your time. You can sell these personalized books on Fiverr, Upwork, or Amazon and earn passive income. Before I finish the video, I look forward to learning about your experiences. Please share your feedback below. If you found this presentation informative, consider expressing your approval with a thumbs up and subscribe for additional content. Thank you for watching, and until next time.